Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming storage and choosing the fastest path. Use a desktop browser and select the files or folders you need. Once done, disable any download blocking extensions and clear a quick browser cache to avoid stale responses. Then right-click the selection and choose Download to trigger Google's zip creation. You do this because Drive generates the zip server-side, and the browser must accept the streaming download. If the zip fails immediately, retry with a smaller batch to isolate the problematic file. Next, diagnose why Drive stopped creating the archive. You should split large exports into smaller batches, aim for 1 GB or less, to reduce server timeouts. Make sure file names aren't excessively long or using prohibited characters, and verify you have access rights for every shared file. Ownership mismatches can abort zips. Once you suspect browser state, open an incognito window or another account to eliminate extension interference. Monitor the Network tab if needed to see failed requests and HTTP codes. Finally, complete or recover the process by downloading any partial zip files that succeeded and unzipping them locally to salvage data. If Drive continues to fail, switch to Google Takeout for a more robust export, or use the backup and sync/drive for desktop client to sync then compress locally. Make sure to scan for any corrupted or locked files and replace them before retrying. If things still go wrong, the quickest troubleshooting tip is to try one file at a time to pinpoint the culprit and proceed from there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.